To make this khichdi, you will need two major ingredients is rice and split green gram. So the proportion I have used here, every 1 cup of moong dal you want to add half cup of rice. So just to save a time, what I do, let me show you. So let me show you what I do here. As you can see, I have already mixed rice and dal proportion in this container. So this will last me at least next 6 time of making this recipe. So this is a good idea if you're making very often. So the proportion will be the same, 1 cup of green gram and half cup of rice. So what you want to do is, I'll just take a bowl here, and now I'm going to wash this and I'll be right back. Alright, so I have washed this khichdi at least 3 to 4 times. And now we are going to soak this khichdi for at least 10 to 15 minutes. So as you can see, I have added water here and I'm going to let this soak for 10-15 minutes. Alright guys, so I have drained out the water, and as you can see, the khichdi is nicely soaked. I soaked it for about 13 minutes. That's enough. So I have pressure cooker heating up. Into that I have added about teaspoon of clarified butter, and I'll add a little bit of oil in it. If you want, you can use either one, either just oil or just clarified butter, but I'm just using both. Once this oil heats up, I'll add this mustard seeds. And pinch of cumin. Optional, you can use just mustard seeds if you want, or cumin powder. Let it pop. Here I have 2 cloves, pinch of asafoetida or hing, and I have 2 dry red chilies, optional. Just a little bit of turmeric powder and half teaspoon of chili powder, or as per your taste. Okay, and now you want to add your khichdi in it. And now I'll add salt. This is also known as a plain khichdi because we do not add any vegetables or any ginger, garlic or anything like that. Just turmeric and chili powder, that's optional. If you don't want to add chili powder, skip it. This is really good for sick people. If you are sick, you want to have this really hot khichdi with milk. After sauteing this khichdi for about a few seconds, I'll add water to it. So let me tell you how much water I add. We use this 1 cup of khichdi, so I have added 3.5 cup of water. The same cup I have used, added 3.5 cup of water, and simple is that. Now we are just going to wait until it comes to a boil. Alright, so as you can see, it has come to a boil. And now we are going to close the lid. Right, and then wait for 3 whistles. After 3 whistles, you can turn off the stove. I just turned off the stove and after 3 whistles, and now I'm going to let this sit for about 10 minutes. Do not open the lid right away. Let it sit for 10 minutes. Right, it's been 10 minutes. Pressure is almost gone. Let's check. Right, so our khichdi is ready. Right, so as you can see, our khichdi is ready. Usually this splitter green gram khichdi is runnier like this. You want to enjoy it while it's nice and hot. Then I'll add a little bit of clarified butter or ghee. It's must. I'm going to serve this with milk, and serve with any of your favorite pickle or achar. This is sweet pickle, sweet lime pickle. That's all for today, guys. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please subscribe to my channel and share this recipe with your friends and family. See you in my next video. Till then, bye.